accept all-wheel drive so we can get over here. Jeez, this is the most epic. Man, all these trucks have to chain up past hundreds and hundreds of trucks. So we're gonna go slow and steady, averaging 20 miles an hour, four-wheel high. Here's a bear. Her belly's been giving her trouble the last couple days. She's not feeling her living her best life today, but whew, man, heading to Brady's. I'm gonna be living there with Brady part-time, Oak Harbor, Washington. And the adventure begins now. Here we are in the first week of January. Just gonna make it over Snoqualmie Pass here barely. Better put the seatbelt on. Adventure on, let's go. Jeez. There's a few, 3 or 4 state patrol. Helping some folks with two-wheel drive cars, you know, also slapping them with a $500 fine. Here we are. Summit West is on the left, where I learned to snowboard in 1998, 99 actually, I think it was. All right, next stop, maybe North Bend for a quick pit stop. He's a bear. 2 deep bumps.